Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Working on or near the water can be physically demanding and dangerous because there is always a risk of suffering a severe injury. When a minute worker suffers an injury, he or she may be able to pursue fair compensation under maritime laws. However, these laws are complex and difficult to navigate on your own. That is why you should strongly consider hiring an experienced New Jersey maritime lawyer. The attorneys at Lynch Law Firm have in-depth knowledge of your rights under maritime law and how to pursue the compensation you deserve. We take cases on contingency, which means your initial consultation is free of charge and we do not recover legal fees unless you obtain the compensation. Why do I need a New Jersey maritime lawyer? You are free to pursue compensation for a maritime injury on your own. However, navigating the legal process alone can be stressful and confusing, particularly when you are dealing with a New Jersey personal injury. This is one of the many reasons why it may be to your benefit to work with a reputable New Jersey maritime attorney. Here are some of the main reasons you should think about contacting an attorney after a maritime injury. You need a strong advocate during the legal process. You will need to work with the various parties as you pursue compensation for the injuries you suffered on the water, some of which may include your employer and its attorneys and insurance company if you are filing a claim under the Longshore and Harbour Workers' Compensation Act or LHWCA. Unfortunately, the only party that is focused on your best interest is you. While your employer and others will likely go through the process in a good faith, they are not focused on ensuring you receive all the compensation you deserve. However, the New Jersey maritime lawyers at our firm will be singularly focused on your best interest and obtaining maximum compensation for your claim. An attorney can help accurately value your claim. Workplace injuries can have devastating effects on your life, creating long-term medical expenses, lost wages, and emotional anguish. If your injury was caused by another party's negligence, you deserve compensation for all of the physical, financial, and emotional damages you are dealing with. Our experienced New Jersey maritime lawyers will know how to carefully review your claim to determine an accurate valuation based on of the evidence. An attorney will also know how to document physical and emotional damages that do not have a specific monetary value attached to them. This is the kind of expertise you need to have a chance of recovering maximum compensation. And then, an attorney has detailed knowledge of relevant laws. Making sense of the laws that apply to maritime injuries is very difficult when dealing with an injury. That is why having an attorney that at your side with knowledge of these laws gives you a tremendous advantage. The New Jersey maritime lawyers at our firm are well versed in the laws that apply to these claims, including Jones Act, Longshore and Harbour Workers' Compensation Act, Death on a High Seas Act, and then the next is a lawyer can help guide you through the entire legal process. When you contact our firm, we will review your claim in a free legal consultation. If you have a claim and decide to proceed, we will explain the next steps you need to take to pursue compensation. A New Jersey maritime attorney will be prepared to manage your claim from start to finish, including completing all required forms and ensuring they are submitted on time. If your claim is denied, your lawyer will be prepared to go through the appeal process to fight for your rights so you can focus on recovering from your injury. Types of maritime injury cases is the next discussion. The New Jersey maritime lawyers at our firm are prepared to pursue claims for maritime workers covered by the Jones Act, Death on a High Seas Act, the LHWCA. This includes claims that occur on tankers, cargo or supply ships, offshore rigs such as oil rig, docks and ports, tugboats, barges, commercial fishing vessels, dredges, floating cranes, cruise ships, drill ships, and yachts. Injuries that occur on this vessel or occasion are covered by maritime laws, provided these vessels were on navigable waters when the injuries occurred. Navigable waters include oceans, lakes, rivers, harbors adjacent to these bodies of water, and bayous. And then Jones Act. Your maritime injury claim will be governed by one of three maritime laws. Depending on the circumstances of your injury, the Jones Act, also known as the Merchant Marine Act, applies to workers who performs at least 30% of the jobs on a seafaring vessel, including fishing ships, dredges, tankers, oil rig, towboats, cruise ship, barges, floating cranes, and then the next discussion is about proving negligence. This law allows eligible employers to obtain compensation for injuries caused by the negligence of a co-worker or their employer. Examples of negligence acts that could make you eligible for compensation include failing to maintain safe equipment, lack of care when selecting competent crew members, failing to avoid dangerous weather, failing to provide proper supervision, failing to require crew members to follow safe work methods, allowing unsafe conditions such as grease or oil on the deck of a vessel, failing to properly train crew members, using a vessel that was unseaworthy. Workers who file Jones Act claims have a much lower burden of proof than people who file personal injury claims. In a personal injury claim, you must prove the other party's negligence was the main cause of your injury. However, the Jones Act simply requires you to show that the other party's negligence played some role in your injury, no matter how small. Types of benefits. The following types of benefits are available in a Jones Act claim. Medical expenses. These include all reasonable and necessary medical expenses, both now and in the future. Example could include physical therapy, nursing care, and travel to out-of-town medical facilities. Lost wages. This provides a compensation for wages lost after an injury and while you are receiving treatment. Lost earning capacity. This is compensation for future wages. Health and insurance benefits, vacation time, retirement plans, and other benefits you are unable to earn because your injury caused a permanent disability that prevents you from returning to work. Many factors will be taken into account to determine how much compensation you receive, including age, gender, and the number of years you likely would have worked if the injury had not occurred. And then pain and suffering. You may be entitled to compensation for physical pain from your injury along with disfigurement and inability to perform physical activity. You may also be able to recover compensation for depression and other psychological problems that resulted from your injury. And then funeral expenses. This applies to situations where the injury contributes to the worker's death, lost enjoyment of life. This is compensation for lost mobility, pain, lack of physical stamina, and other elements that prevent the workers from enjoying leisure activities or spending time with friends, family, or loved ones. I think that's all guys, the information that I can share to you. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you need information related to maritime topics, you are in the right channel because in this channel we talk about it a lot. I think that's all, guys, information that I can share to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye, guys. See you in another video.